Hello everyone, so welcome again to this video. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use AI to create a logo. So how to use AI to create a logo for your brand, maybe for your YouTube channel, for your TikTok and all that. So you don't have a logo and you want to use AI to create a logo. So you can simply find any logo of your choice, any one type of logo you like, and you add it here and ask ChatGPT to give you prompt on how to create a similar logo. Or let's assume you don't even have, you will just come here and you tell ChatGPT what you want to do. You can tell it to act as an expert logo designer. Okay, create a prompt to create a logo for my brand. Okay, then you now go further to tell it what your brand, the name of your brand. Let's say the name of my brand is Bretti's Stitches. Okay, you put this the name in quotes, you highlight it in quotes, then you go further to in details explain to ChatGPT what your brand is all about. If you have colors in mind, you're going to tell it the colors you have in mind. So I'm just going to give a short description, but in yours, you're going to give a thorough description of what the brand is all about. This is to enable ChatGPT to understand the exact thing to create and know how to go about. If you also have an idea of how you want the logo to look like, you're also going to type it and describe it to ChatGPT. So I'll just say my brand, okay, my brand is a Nigerian brand that designs ready to wear outfits. Okay. The colors of my brand is gold and black. So if you also have more things you want, because me, I don't have any idea of how I want the the logo to be like. But if you have any idea too, you can type it out. So but let's type this and see what it's going to give for us. Okay. Okay, so now it's coming up with prompts. They're even coming up with two different prompts. Okay. You can see this one says the logo should be elegance, craftsmanship, and premium African fashion. This one says the logo feels elegant, premium, and modern, representing high quality tailoring and stylish ready to wear. So you will just go over it and know the one. You can see it gave us different options. So let's say I'm going for this first one. So I'll just copy it. Okay. Oh, that's everything. I want to copy only this one. Okay. I'll copy it and head over to my Gemini. When you come to Gemini, make sure you select this create image, and also I okay, like we can leave it as thinking. I prefer this thinking, but you can also you let's leave the here as thinking. So you now paste your prompts. We paste our prompts that we got from ChatGPT. Oh, it's like I didn't copy it. Okay. Okay, so what's happening? Okay, okay, it has already pasted. You now submit for it to create the logo for us. So let's see what it's going to create for us. So it's actually loading and it's trying to bring up a design for us. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, yay! So now you can see it has given us a logo. It has given us a logo. You know, this logo is very, very fine. You can just download it. You can download it and this is already your logo. If you don't like this one that it give, you can also try to see other ones. You can try and copy this second one. Can copy this second one, or if there's something you don't like, you can also go back to this ChatGPT and tell it, oh, I don't like the font, I don't like whatever you don't like, you tell it. So you will come over to a new chat, don't continue in this one. You will come over to a new chat. Remember, you select this create an image with nano banana, then you paste the new prompt. So let's see um what this one is actually going to create for us. Okay, so you can see you can do a whole lot of things with AI. Anything you can actually think of, AI will either guide you or show you how to go about it, if not make your work like 70% easier. So you can see, wow, you can see this is also beautiful. You can see this is beautiful, you know. So you will now save it and you've created your logo. So you see it's beautiful and it looks very well. Okay, all right, see you in the next video. If you have questions, please, the platform's messages, that place you can drop messages, is always active. Please ask your questions there. If you don't ask questions, I wouldn't know if you're understanding or following up with this challenge. I really wanted all of us to be engaging. Make sure you do your task. It's very important. If you want the portfolio, it's very important for you to do your task and post on social media, tag me and tag wisely. It's very compulsory if you want your um to get your portfolio, and also if you want to win the prize for the challenge. So thank you so much. I expect this video to be understanding for you, but if you don't understand, feel free. There is no question that is stupid at all. Feel free to ask all your questions in the message chat and I will equally respond to all your questions.